Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the tap and hold function on the Contacts application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a project and click to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Select the stylus option and in the preferences section, click to the square icon before the enable tap and hold option, and it's enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.